Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Mendini by Cecilio Eb Alto Saxophone. As a homeschool mom with music background, I was looking around for different instruments to add to their lessons, in addition to what they're already doing with the piano. We were specifically looking for a woodwind instrument for the kids that wouldn't cost an arm and a leg, and I came across this Mendini saxophone. This saxophone comes with not only the instrument, but also the case, tuner, mouthpiece, 10 reeds, and pocketbook, which is a great bundle not just for someone starting out, but even for professionals with its well-made design and high-quality material. I love that it comes with a sturdy case so we can safely move the instrument around. Plus, the case has a ton of space for storing the different accessories that come with it. The sound it produces is very rich and warm, so it is great for all kinds of music genres. Also, make sure to take advantage of the tuner to be able to make any necessary adjustments to produce clear and consistent sound when playing the instrument. So far, we are really liking the saxophone and the kids are always excited to play with it. If you are in search of a high-quality, budget-friendly saxophone that comes with everything you need to get started, you'll definitely want to check this out.